No, she's gonna like mine better.
Oh my gosh.
Because we already know.
Hi guys, so I am starting this video. What? I'm starting this video so casual of me getting ready. Like, what is going on? We're being so authentic. I'm like trying to multitask right now. As you guys can tell from the title above, I'm gonna be doing another rave video with my parents. In my last video, I had my parents rate my rave/festival outfits, and now they're actually gonna be picking out my rave/festival outfits today. That should be interesting. I have no idea what they're gonna pick out for me, and we're gonna go to a rave store. In my last rave video, a lot of the comments were like, oh my god, your dad is so uncomfortable, like blah blah. Like, yeah, probably. It's not like I'm completely naked, okay? If he's that uncomfortable, he like would tell me like I don't want to film that, but he's doing just fine, okay? So yeah, that's what we're gonna be doing today. Yeah, don't forget to subscribe down below and turn on my post notifications to be notified when I upload. It's just a little bell thing. Click her. Also, thumbs this video up if you guys want more videos with my parents, because I will definitely do it. I'm also thinking about doing a video of me picking out my parents' rave outfits and then bringing them to a rave. I think that'd be really funny. So that might be happening. Let me know down below if you want to see that. I'm gonna finish getting ready and I will see you in like 3 seconds. Okay guys, so I'm in Seattle with my parents and brother.
What am I doing?
No, you gotta talk. Okay guys, so we're at Trendy Wendy in Seattle. We are about to go in here and pick out Saray's rave outfit. You ready?
Oh yeah.
Here we go. And look, already. Look at this. Oh no. So we're trying to figure out these outfit things, but there's so much and it's so overwhelming. Oh my gosh.
Do they wear like this where their boobs are out?
Yes.
Oh boy.
I want to see you wear this. Yeah. Yeah.
Think you can pull that off? I like it.
You like
I
it?
just don't like how this might pop out.
Oh my gosh. You gonna wear that?
Well, what do you think about all the clothes in here?
It's tough because she's my daughter.
In October, Saray's making us go to a rave. So you better get comfortable figuring out what outfits are gonna be for you.
I found mine already.
And for me. So.
It's gonna be pink thong, but I like it because it covers you up.
Ew. Oh.
What's she doing?
She was stimulating her.
Ew, Nicole.
We're back at my house, and so my mom picked out the main part of her outfit at the store, but my dad didn't really find anything, so we're gonna be ordering some other stuff online. My mom's gonna finish up her outfit online too. I feel like they have a lot more options online. We're on iHeartRaves. This isn't sponsored, by the way, but they're gonna go through this website and see if they find anything.
Sorry. My bad. Okay, so here's the thing. You know, I think on the other rave outfits or whatever that we rated, my favorite one was the one with like the green netting one. So I kind of went with that vibe. Yeah, I'm definitely gonna win this challenge because, you know, dads, they gotta be all on the conservative side. When I was reading, like, I can't believe your mom would let you wear something so skimpy. We're specifically talking about a rave here. I would never, ever in a million years want her to wear something so crazy outside of this. But it's like a costume. It's what they do.
You know those things that they put on their things?
Their nipples?
Yeah. Is it to keep it from showing, or is it? Okay. I
But
thought.
also people just wear those as a top.
Oh. Okay, I think I did it. Oh, mine's gonna be so much better.
We'll see about that.
We are finished.
No, he doesn't know how to talk. Give me that.
Nope.
Nope. Okay, guys. So check it out. We just finished. Obviously, I'm gonna win. I mean, duh. He's probably picked out some grandma outfit. No offense, grandmas. Mine's neon-y and all that good stuff. What about you? What
It's
did you
a
pick
secret.
out?
You will see.
No, you have
when
to
it comes
say.
out. It's
It's so secret because it's probably like a onesie.
no,
like, no
it's
joke.
something safe and nothing's gonna pop out.
So, like I said, you guys, it's about to be like this grandma onesie.
So I'm really curious what they ordered, and like they said, I will see you in 2 days.
You got the chiropractor tomorrow?
I don't think so. Yeah.
All right, let's go so you can get the big loser.
Oh no, there's always winning.
But
Only
not
winning.
for you.
Mine.
No, she's gonna like mine better.
Oh my gosh.
Because we already know.
I'm gonna try on their outfits and they're gonna tell me how much everything was. So which one are we starting off with?
We're starting off with the winning one.
The loser one, that's Daddy-O.
That'd be mine.
Okay, so we're starting off with my dad's outfit.
Well, no, because mine's in there too, so you can't see it.
Dad, why do you have your eyes closed? This is your outfit.
I want to be. This will be my first time seeing it too.
Ready. Open.
See.
That's cute.
Yeah, thank you.
That's really cute.
It's-
Let me see your glasses.
Sunglasses.
You're very.
Oh my God! Why'd
The
you
only
so
thing-
extra with the
You know,
glasses?
the only thing I'd worry about is the top.
What's wrong with the
I
top?
mean, if she starts to jump.
And it's nice and thin, so it's not gonna. It's like jogging material.
Is this holographic too? If it's reflective, then he gets an extra 2 points.
What? That's not fair.
It is. No, I saw. Yes, it is.
Whoa. Here, let me do a video.
Yes. Look. You see it? See? Thank you. 2 points.
Okay, I actually really like it. I think it's like more on the conservative side. I was surprised that you didn't get like a turtleneck or something.
I like
For a rave outfit, yeah, that is a turtle.
I like it.
These earrings, they look really cool with this. Yeah, I really like this. Mom, what do you think? Do you think
I
your-
like it.
Do you think your outfit's gonna be better?
Well, yeah, because I picked it out.
I see. She couldn't even finish. It's like.
No, because I already know. You'll see. And plus, mine was way less expensive than this.
The glasses was $22.95, so $42.95 for the top and bottom, then $22.95 for the glasses. $65.
That's not
No,
bad.
but
Not
then we-
including the,
Yeah, the
earrings.
So, okay, so yeah, no, not 102.
Yeah, that was pretty good.
That was really
That's
good.
a good deal for this outfit.
Yeah, it's cute.
So when it's like dark and you're at a rave and the lights go, it's gonna look really cool.
Oh, when the black light comes on?
Yeah. Comment below letting me know how you guys rate this outfit compared to my mom's too. I rate this a 8 out of 10.
Plus the 2.
Oh, no.
That's a 10. That's a
6
10.
out of
Thank
10.
you.
Okay, now on to my mom's outfit. I'll be back. Hi!
Yep, I love.
It's good on you.
Thank
Yeah,
you.
I'm not gonna hate.
The only reason why I chose this is because, as you guys know from the previous videos, I love her green outfit. And literally, when I saw this, I was like, oh my God, this is gonna look so beautiful, just because we know she looked beautiful in the green ones. I know it's a little bit of a repeat, but totally different color.
This is kind of different.
Just the black underneath.
Like black top under.
Yeah, black top and bottom.
I think the only thing that I don't like is I feel like the harness like kind of throws it off, because this is like off the shoulder and then this is, I don't know how to describe it. No, but I do like this
Well, you
pink.
can pull it off without the harness.
Yeah.
All right, so it was $16.95 for the bottom, $36.95 for the harness.
That's kind of a lot for a harness.
Yeah, just
You don't even
that's
know.
$36.
No, I guess they are that expensive.
Yeah.
I don't- Oh, and then how much is this?
I think it was like $19.95 or something like that. Like $70.
Okay, so about the
About the
same.
same.
Yeah.
I honestly feel like I feel more comfortable in the other outfit, but I do really like this one. I would rate it an 8 too. But yeah, here's like an up close of this one. Which outfit do you guys like the most?
The first one, the
I like
one
the
that I
first
picked
one.
out.
Yeah, I like the first
Oh
one.
my gosh!
wow, that's a first.
I do. I like the first one.
Put that on the calendar.
Pretty certain I would like this outfit better if this was strictly black underneath
and
and,
black.
then no harness.
Yeah.
And then I think I would have won.
Comment below letting me know which outfit you guys like the most so we can find out who wins. I'm gonna take this off.
That duck thing you guys do.
I feel like that already looks a lot better. Like this video if you guys want to see a video of me picking out their rave outfits and taking them to their first rave, because that would be really fun.
That's really gonna happen.
Yeah, that's gonna happen. So thumbs this video up and we will do that. And my brother, he'll be there too.
Oh boy.
That's gonna be so crazy.
Family that raves together.
Stays together.
gosh.
Don't forget to subscribe down below and turn my post notifications to be notified when I upload a new video. It's just the little bell thing, so definitely click it.
Yep.
3, 2, 1. Bye guys!
Hey, hey.